Hey guys, it's Carrie with oralhealthcoaching.com and carrieIbbetson.com, and today I want to talk about why it's important to know where your toothbrushes are manufactured, but also why to clean them before you start using them. Let's get started. What's up guys, it's Carrie with oralhealthcoaching.com and carrieIbbetson.com. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm a dental hygienist by trade, an oral health coach by passion, and I make online videos and create online courses that help you get better results with your mouth or a mouth that you care for. And today I want to talk about the importance of cleaning your toothbrush when you first get it from either a dental practice or from the store. A lot of times you would think that because a new toothbrush comes in a package, it must be perfect and ready to go. But that's not always the case, and not all manufacturing facilities are created equally. You want to make sure that when you first get that brush that you're opening it, you're washing it with soap and water, and then you're actually inspecting the bristles to make sure that they're not broken and that they're going to come out. Randomly enough, sometimes that does happen, and we want to make sure that things aren't getting stuck underneath our gums, because those can create gum infections, similar to like if a popcorn kernel were to get stuck. If a bristle gets stuck, it can have that same reaction, so that our body creates a gum infection in trying to get rid of it. So this brings me back to really knowing where the facility is that your toothbrushes are made, which is one of the biggest reasons that I am such a huge supporter of Tepe. Tepe is made in Sweden. They're shipped all over the world, but they're made in one facility in the same place under really strict and stringent guidelines as far as cleanliness is concerned. And I can't say that for a lot of other brushes. So not only do they have a really clean facility, but you've heard me talking about the Tepe brushes and how effective they are. Those are the reasons that it just makes it much easier for me as somebody who's helping the consumer get better results. If I know a product works well and I know it comes from a clean facility, I'm going to recommend it as much as I can over some of the other products. So whether you're using Tepe or whether you're using another product, make sure that you're washing it with soap and water. Let it dry before you use it. Make sure you're inspecting those bristles and make sure that none of them are broken and they're getting stuck underneath your gums. I hope that's helpful for you. If you're looking for Tepe products, the links are below. You can get Tepe USA, you can get Tepe in UK, you can get them in New Zealand. Again, they're all made in the same facility. They're just shipped to different distribution centers to make it easy for you to get it in your country. Got questions? I've got answers. Leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, thanks for being here. We'll see you soon, and let's keep this as healthy as possible.